Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about this particular changing the name on a t-shirt evidently to different names, and they wanted to go from Assassin to Swift. Well, once you have this, I just thought I'd add, you can do this with any word. Once you have it, you just need to click, and if you didn't watch part one, you need to watch part one. It'd be the same name minus part two. Just go right there and then put it in your envelope shape, and it does that. Now you can actually just place it in there manually and it should just snap to it. But it'll do it in for any size text basically, and you can just keep doing it over and over and over. I wouldn't think you'd ever change and just don't forget to remove your hairline. But if you had to change the man, the young boy or young woman's name on the jersey. So once you change the name of the team, I don't think you're going to change it again, but you can. And like I said in the previous video, the longer the word, the better it looks. You know, and we made it exactly like the Assassin, to the same size shape as before. So just keep that in mind. If you ever need to change a bunch of names, you could have these across the board and just keep changing them. I mean, just hit the plus key on the keyboard and make another item and take that Cowboys and do what we just did and then stick it in there. And if you have snap to object on, it's probably snapping to. In the previous video I showed that you could use C and E, which is align it vertically and horizontally. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.